everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be making some magic corn. So let's begin. I've already put some water into this pan and let it boil for around 2 to 3 minutes. I'm going to put this over it and add in my corn. Now that this has been cooking for around 3 to 4 minutes, I'm going to add them into my bowls. I am now going to add in the spices. This is some chili powder and salt. This is some cayenne pepper and salt. And this is some herbs and salt. I'm going to use a teaspoon and add in some lemon. And I'm also going to add in a piece of butter into my corn. You can add in as much as spice as you want and as much as lemon as you want. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe, as well as hitting the notification bell for more videos like this. Hope you enjoy the magic corn. Bye!